Real courage comes from God, not by our power. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a tube basket waist dress with a cape tie belt in front. You can hit the subscribe button to subscribe, like and comment. I want to have a conversation with you guys. You can drop it in the comment section. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorials. Please keep on watching to the end. Let's dive in. These are the items that I'll be using for today's sewing tutorials. So I'll be spreading my fabric. I'm going to also fold it into 4 parts for us to start our measurement. I'm using Duchess fabric to make this tie. I want you to stick around to the end of this sewing tutorial because you are going to learn a lot. And please, you can hit the subscribe button to subscribe now. So this is the upper part, okay? So I folded it into 4 and I'll just give my zipper by 1 inch. So it's just 1 inch for the zipper allowance. It's an off shoulder, the upper part. Because of that, I'll be subtracting 4 inches from my tape and mark 17 inches as the length of the upper part. So that's the length, which is for the upper part and is by 17 inches. My bust measurement 36 inches divided by 4, that will give us 9 inches. Okay, so that's for the bust measurement. Then I'm going to go down by 1 inch for the armhole, so it's around my bust area. Okay, then the waist measurement is here. So I'm going to also divide this by 4. So 28 divided by 4, I have 7 inches. Then I'm going to go to my bust measurement and add my allowance by 1 inch. Then I'll go down again to the waist. So I'm going to add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Then I'll just connect the lines together. So I'll start it from the bust, then I'll take it down to the waist measurement. Okay, so guys, I divided my measurement by 4. So it's going to have basket waist shape. So I'm going to mark 5 inches to this point that I want it to stop. Okay, then I'm going to also use my ruler to shape it. So after this part, I'm through with the measurement. So I'm going to cut it out now. So guys, I want you to say something concerning this particular tutorial. You can drop it in the comment section. So, and if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe. So it's the upper part that we are making now. Okay, I don't want you to get confused. So it's going to have gathers. That gathers is going to extend the length of the dress that we are making. So we are cutting the upper part. So I'm cutting out the basket effect that is going to have. So I'm still cutting, and it's the upper side that we are cutting, and the basket effect is going to appear at the back side. And I was able to achieve it by folding the fabric into 4. So just did everything at once. So that's the good thing about the folding of your fabric into 4. So this is the part for the gathers. Then I'll be subtracting 16 inches to get my length, which is by 38 inches. Then I'm going to cut it and also stitch it. Guys, I'm using 1 yard and 9 inches for the gathers. Okay, and I'm using Duchess fabric to make this tie. So keep on watching, guys. Stick around to the end of this sewing tutorial. Okay, because we have other parts that we are going to also cut out. Remember, it's going to have cape, we are going to cut that, and it's going to also have tie, we are going to also cut that part also. First, I'm going to cut the fabric. This part is for the gathers, and we are going to also use it to extend the length of the dress that we are making. It's a sweet dress. Please keep on watching to the end. So it has an interface or cape, you can call it cape, and I'm going to cut it now. I will spread my fabric, then I'm going to fold it also and measure 2.5 inches. So that's the 2.5 inches. Then after that, I'm going to align it to the neck, the front and the back neckline. So it's going to appear at the back also. So that's for that. And I want you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. Guys, this dress that we are making is beautiful. There is a belt attached to it also, so it's going to be in the front. So I'll be cutting it now. The length is by 32 inches. So I'll go to the machine to sew it out. Then I'm going to also turn it. I'm going to also iron it. Then we are going to also attach it. You are going to see how we are going to do that. So this fabric that I have here, so I'm be cutting it. This is what I'm going to place in the middle. It's going to look like a tie. So the width is by 2.5 inches, then the length is by 9 inches. So guys, I'm through with that. So now this is how I'm going to align it to the neck area of my fabric, and it's going to appear at the back also. So this is how your own should look like. So I'm using my hand to demonstrate how I'm going to stitch it. So I'm going to stitch it now. I've done that already. You can see how beautiful it is. So now I'll be joining the body parts together. So I'll starting from my bust, which is by 36 inches. Then I'm going to divide it by 2. I have 18 inches. So now it's for us to join the bust and the waist measurement together, and I'm dividing it by 2. Okay, so I'll go to the waist. Remember, my waist is 28 inches divided by 2, so I have 14 inches. Then I'm going to mark it. Then after marking them, I'm going to connect the lines and also sew on it. I have similar tutorial on my channel on how to join your body parts. You can also watch it, because you are going to also learn from that sewing tutorial that I have already. So guys, keep on watching. It's a beautiful style. You can see the combination of the color that I used. This is very beautiful. I'm loving my dress. As for the gathers, I've stitched it, and here is how to make your gathers to form out. So it's very simple to gather it out. Just keep on watching this video to the end. So this is how to place it around the waist, and this is how I'm going to also sew it when stitching it together. So I'm placing it around the waist area of my fabric. You can see how neat it is. This will be at the middle, so I'm going to mark 8.5 inches for the middle point. Then I'm going to place my belt there. So you can see the way I'm placing it, and you can see the place that I'm placing it. Then I'm using my pin to pin it first. Then I'm going to also place my tie there. Okay, you can see the way I folded it. You can see how it is now, and this is how to stitch it. You can see how simple it is. So if you don't understand this tutorial, please, you can watch this video again. You can see how neat it is and very simple and direct. So I hope you are enjoying the video. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new from today's teachings. Please, you can subscribe to my channel, comment. I want to have a real conversation with you guys. Like and also turn notification bell to get notified to see my video uploads on my channel. I love you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.